the name of this unit is Lavender. It's from the Vivica Fox hair collection. Here's the name, Lavender V, and there's the color at the bottom. Let me zoom in to see if you guys can see that. I love this wig. This is part of their new Reds collections. They came out with a bunch of units that they already had and some new units with the lovely color red. And the color's not red, it's a bunch of different letters. I'll post that down below. But this unit, Lavender, I've saw a few reviews on YouTube about this unit. It is one of her future units, which means it's not human, but you can put heat on it. So it is curling iron and flat iron safe. Now this lace unit is 100% hand stitched. It does come with baby hairs in the front. Now I have mine parted down the middle, which you can part it any way you want to. Let's see, I don't have a brush in front of me now, but just to show you some quick styles while you're on the go, if you're leaving work and you want to change it up for a nightclub style or just for cocktail hour or whatever you're doing. Ooh, I love this wig. It's such a diva unit. Now this is one of her future units, which means it's not human, but it is curling iron, heat safe, flat iron, whatever you want to do. But I love to keep my units looking just like I opened the pack and took them out. So I rather use flexi rods or roll them overnight so I don't have to put heat on them. This unit is amazing. As you can tell, it's darker at the top. See how much parting space I have? And now I can part from here and to ear, about an inch, inch and a half back. The unit is darker at the top and it gets lighter red at the bottom, which I think is amazing because it's kind of an ombre unit. Ombre means like the hair is a color graduation, just like you see some girls with the black, brown, and then the blonde at the tips. That's what this is. It's kind of like an ombre effect. It's darker at the top. So yeah, I'm really feeling this unit. Red hair color. I am most certainly not afraid of the red hair color. I would say this is me stepping out of the box, doing something new, but if you can tell in some of my other videos, or if you're a friend on my Facebook page, red is a normal color for me, such as black. I love red hair. I think it complements my skin tone. I even shaded my brows in with a little red. Look at this unit, you guys. Okay, it is a business. I'm sorry. It's on her bio cap, which I have reviewed tons of units from Vivica Fox, and I've told you guys about the bio cap. For those of you guys who don't know what the bio cap is, it's an extra thin cap. It stretches real good. The air flows through. It makes it feel so real, like you do not have a unit on your head. It's good for the summer. It's good for whenever you're feeling hot, because you're not going to feel hot with a Vivica Fox unit on with the pure stretch cap. I hope you guys enjoyed Lavender, and she is enjoying me and I am enjoying her, and they did that. Thank you, Vivica Fox, and until next time.